Hello, leaders, and welcome to Digital Mandate, brought to you by Tech Disruptor Media, an initiative of Bharat Network Group, a platform where we spotlight visionary leaders who are shaping the future of India's technology and innovation. And today we are joined by Mr. Ranganathan Iyer from JBM Group. How are you, sir?
Namaste. Fine, thanks.
So, my first question to you is, as the theme of TechVerse 2026 Delhi edition is focusing on enterprise reinvention in the AI era, how does this align with your company's current service roadmap?
See, AI is a part of our journey. We focus and identify AI solution which are more focused to our resolving our pain areas. And we have many POCs done, and some already has gone to production, which is providing us the right kind of cost benefit also in the whole process.
So, how does your solution help enterprises become future ready rather than just digitally enabled?
See, we don't think about future ready. We focus more on problem resolving, process improvement, and wherever possible, eliminate the manual process. So it indirectly gives benefit to the organization by way of adapting various digital solutions, specifically AI. If you take some examples, AI is more useful where you have where human cannot go into those areas. For example, if you want to do a quality check inside a cylinder, humanly it is not possible. Using the visual analytics, inserting a camera, we are in a position to make it possible. Likewise, we have many use cases which are very business friendly, resolving business issues, and then increases customer satisfaction.
So, my last question, how do you align technology investments with business priorities?
See, technology intervention we don't have. We focus on what technology can provide solution to our business pain area, or there are instances that if we are supposed to have some compliance, or those things are given priority. Safety, anything related to safety, we give priority. At that juncture, we never see whether technology is providing a solution or the process improvement is giving provisions. Our focus is on compliance, number one, safety, number two, number three, and it has to increase the efficiency of the material, or anything related to process. If that is available, if technology can give, yes, good, we will adapt.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your valuable insights on this.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more episodes.
Thank you.